Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make a shape in Photoshop without fill. Okay. Create a new layer and select use pen tool or shape rounded tool, rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool or custom tool. Apply the same way. Example, I click the custom, press enter and do not use fill and stroke color, example black. Press enter. Hold shift click and drag it. Increase the stroke size. Okay, now we can see this. Make shape without fill. Apply the same formula for any shape. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.